something about our musical ability, it's something about our spoken word, and it's something about the song that comes through the right kind of heart, that comes with the right kind of voice, that just soothes the soul, that no matter what you are going through, that voice, that song, that spirit just elevates you. And you know that God has visited you a little bit in that person. A couple of months ago, I had the honor and privilege of being a part of a program dealing with black men, black fathers. We're doing the best we can trying to get our act together. And there was a special guest there who was offering a song. And as God is my witness, I almost forgot what I was supposed to say after she sung. And so we had to have her here that she could be with you today and share with you. So brothers and sisters, help me to receive a phenomenal, divinely anointed voice, our sister Tish Songbird. Give it up for her, brothers and sisters. Come on now.
Reedsville, how y'all doing? Y'all happy to be out here? Yes. Thank you for that great introduction. My name is Tish Songbird, and I drove out here from Raleigh. I've never been to Reedsville before, so I am so honored to be in a place that I never knew existed. Before I sing a note, before I do anything, I have to first thank my Creator for my gift, because it's not mine. He's just using me. He's allowing me to do what He wants me to do. So, my name is Tish Songbird. I have a band, Tish Songbird and the Applause. And my band is not here physically, but they went in the studio and we put together a nice little show for you. I have an album out called Perfect Imperfections. It's a nice little R&B album. So I'm gonna start the show with something from my album, and I'm gonna end the show with something from my album. And in between, I'm gonna give y'all some Shaka and some SOS Band and some Prince. Y'all like that? We're gonna have a good time. Y'all ready to just turn it up a notch? All right, DJ, we're gonna do a little bit of this right here. Let's see what y'all think. Off of my album, Perfect Imperfections, this is a sweet little love song, so I think it's cute. The morning after, I'm up early, my body's tame, and I'm feeling purty. Boy, you ain't have to do me the way that you did last night. See, I've been dreaming of you lying next to me. I'm so close to believing that you was heaven sent to me. So before I get too far gone and know of this bliss, I need to know just how far we can go with this. 'Cause last night, 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 you touched my soul, and I thank you, babe, and I love you, babe. See, you touched my soul, and I needed it, babe. Oh, see, you touched my soul. Y'all just clap your hands and make some noise. We turning up. We turning up. So I'm a big Prince fan. Can I get y'all to just clap your hands like this? I'm not a woman, I'm not a man. I am something that you never understand. I never beat you, I never lied. And if you even I forgive you by and by, 'cause you, oh, I would die for you. Baby, if you want me to, you, hey, I would die for you. I'm not your lover, I'm not your friend. I am something that you never comprehend. No need to worry, no need to cry. I'm your Messiah, you're the reason why. 'Cause you, hey, I would die for you. Baby, if you want me to, you, oh, I would die for you. You're just a sinner, I am told. Give you fire when you go, make you happy when you sad, make you good when you are bad. I'm not human, I'm a dove. I'm conscious, I'm love. All I really need is to know that you believe that I would die for you. Baby, if you want me to, you, oh, I would die for you. We got any Shaka Khan fans? I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing this one right here. All right, here we go. Captured effortlessly, that's the way it was. Happened so naturally, did not know it was love. Next thing I felt was you holding me close. You just what I would do, let myself go. And we're flying through the stars. Hope this night will last forever. Yes, it will. I've been waiting for you. It's been so long. I knew just what I would do when I heard your song. Fill my heart with the bliss, gave me freedom. You, I could not resist. Need someone. I wish upon a star that this night will last. Y'all know the words, sing it. Oh, oh, oh. Love me, make me happy, make me feel this way. Ain't nobody love me better than you. I wait for nighttime to come, pray to me. Can't believe I'm the one, was so lonely. Feel like no one should feel, must be dreaming. Need this dream to be real, want to feel it. I hope upon a star that this night will last forever. Oh, oh, oh. Ain't nobody love me better, make me happy, make me feel this way. Ain't nobody love me better than you. Oh no, I'm a big fan of old school. I'm a firm believer that's when R&B was real R&B. So I'm gonna do a little SOS band for you. Is that okay? Friends say that I am crazy, that I'm wasting time with you. You'll never be mine, no. That's not the way Just be good to me. You may have many but I know when you're with me, you are all mine. Yes, you are, babe. Friends seem to always listen to the bad things that you do. You never do them to me. People always talking about reputation. I don't care about them other girls. Just be good to me. Friends are always telling me you use hey. I don't care what you say to them. Just be good to me. Yo, we got any Sunshine Anderson fans? I was with her about a month ago. Yeah. Hey. Come home late, it seems you barely beat the tapping my shoulder, thinking you gon' get you some, smelling like Supreme. I don't even wear. So if you want some love, I suggest you go back there. Day to day with you is always something else. Working my nerves, God knows that I don't deserve what you put me through. I've been so good to you, for you to come at me with another lame excuse. Heard it all before, yeah. All of your lies, your sweet talk, baby this, baby that. But your lies ain't working now. Look who's hurting now. I had to shut you down. Had to shut you down. Heard it all before, yeah. Told me, baby, but your lies ain't working now. Look who's hurting now. I had to shut you down. Had to shut you down. What were you thinking? Bringing her into our home. In my bed, you must have fell and bumped your head, messing up my sheets, violating me. Don't make me call my peace and take it to the streets. Nothing you can do, and there's nothing you can say that can persuade me. Stay with you another day. You have crossed the line to the point of no return. What you do from here on out, I am no longer. I heard it all your life. Sweet talk, baby, this, your lies ain't working. Look who's hurting now. I had to shut you down. Had to shut you down. You told me, baby, but your lies ain't working now. Look who's hurting now. I had to shut you down. Had to shut you down. I used to hang on to every word. The more you lied to me, more I heard. Things you used to say sound so sweet. I'm not here to believe. Heard it all before. But your lies ain't working now. Look who's hurting now. I had to shut you down. Had to shut you down. And oh, baby, told me it wasn't me. said I was gonna start with one of my songs, and I was gonna end with one of my songs. Off my album, Perfect Imperfections, this is a little song called Don't Let Me Go. It's my mama's favorite song, so. I just got to be one of your biggest fans. Way before they knew or had a thought of you. I already knew what your love could do. Features have changed, but the love ain't. Everything with love you can do. I see you are everything. So tonight I'm just gon' chill in my back and wait. I want you to hold me, console me, don't let me go. No, 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 babe. I want you to hold me, console me, don't let me go. Hey, 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 for me. I don't deserve all your love. You give to me, boy. All your love, you give to me. I want you to hold. Yes, I do. Please, baby. Don't let me go. Please don't, baby. I want you to hold me. Please, baby. Console me. Please, don't let me go. Hey, 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 that's my time. My name is Tish Songbird. Look me up. Facebook, Tish Martin, Tish Songbird the artist. Instagram, T Songbird. The album Perfect Imperfections is everywhere. iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, everywhere. Thank y'all, Reedsville, for having me here. Hopefully I get a chance to see y'all again. God bless y'all. Thank you so much.